What's up, Stat Fam? Told you we was coming back with another. We got Larry the Legend Bird versus Benard King, Eastern Conference Semifinals, Game 6. This is a live reaction. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below. Let's get it. You know, I'm gonna go at Bird. I'm gonna go at King. Get it started, Bird.
He was isolated with Bird at 6'9", easily shot over.
Benard is legendary too. Is live.
Picked up Truck's man, 7-4 the Knicks.
Benard.
Then get to the defensive boards. Extended 11-6. Bird has 4.
It's my first time watching this though.
King has 4.
Ooh, good move. Okay, Benard, back up out there now. That's a legend.
7-18 to play in the first period. Benard King is fouled. The game was 1974. The key area. And got one inside. They've all done it to so important to us and to you fans.
Oh yeah, they pull up jumper deadly.
If he was going to play, he would play early in the game with the shoulders still warm or loose. The Knicks almost lost that. Benard King to the basket. Oh, fouls. McKay will do the foul, by the way. Great guy to have on your team. And terrible to play against.
Good soft touch.
Benard King.
Good turnaround, Benard.
The player who is fouling him right now. He has weapon in the game for his eye. And a turnover by Trump.
Good pass. Knock that down, Bird. Ooh, good pump fake. Backboard.
Marvin Webster with the rebound. Up to Benard King. Flows right by Maxwell.
Oh yeah, good take, Benard. Ooh. That left was mean. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that right there. It's my first time reacting to Benard King too. Ooh, good Euro. Ooh. It's back in them days. Them free throws daily too. That's a good take, Bird. What they call it? Basket interference.
Let's see, Bird puts the shot up. It bounces around from this angle.
Oh, yeah. He hit.
Cartwright keeping the ball alive, but Webster that time.
Oh, yeah. You got one trailer. Right back to you. That's how you work. Two-man weave. Oh, yeah. Oh, good fake. Benard King is a problem. That's good defense. Oh, yeah, Bird. Good left.
Bird was fouled over the back by excuse me, go ahead, Jim. To the 6 man. Spiro with Buckner. Benard King, double team.
Ooh. Good move. B. King? Well, B. King nasty.
I don't know. But that angle, you can never tell.
I can't do that, B. King. That mid-range daily.
Benard King.
Mid-range pioneer. For real. No, he ain't calling nothing. Let's hoop. I swear he ain't missing no free throws. Them free throws. 58-67. Knicks. Good pass. Knock that down, Bird. Huh? Good shot. Got that pin down. Pump fake. Floater.
Coaching players, the most creative of the players.
Turn around. That's good defense. Ooh, good pass. Way to stay with it, Bird.
shot up, missed it. He's put it back to 72. This hits pretty high when you look at Marvin's
Oh yeah, let's work down there, Bird. Let's work. That's how you work down there in that post now. You got to battle for position. That's cash. Damn, he hit 9 in a row. God. It's legendary. Bird out there torching consecutive baskets. I ain't know he hit 9 in the damn row. The pass. Oh yeah, B King. Way to run that. Oh, they hooping. That's basketball right now. They hoop. And they respecting each other. I like that right now. It's legendary.
Sometimes it's hard to blend that ability.
If you're new to that channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below. You know it. Knock that down, Bird. Good shot.
10 in a row. No, he made one in between. But in the game.
Ooh, pump fake.
Good defense by Cartwright. Here come the Knicks. Benard King, coast to coast. And the Knicks go up by 13.
This hoops. This is hoops. This is legendary hoops right here now. Before my time right here, so you know we gotta watch it. We got class in session.
Benard King.
Oh yeah, B King.
That was unbelievable. And McHale gets loose underneath.
Boy, Kevin McHale gonna snap now. Swear he gonna go off.
And now we have some words between McHale and Benard King. McHale and King having words.
Oh, it's legendary. It's legendary right here. What the hell the ref doing?
I didn't see how that started.
That's young McHale. That's young Bird and young McHale out there, young Parrish.
Well, Yuri Brown is talking to Benard King. He wants an explanation from him. The officials now seem to have gotten things under control. Benard is talking to Kevin McHale again. I want to tell you one thing. Now, they just shook hands.
They respect each other, man. We like that, man. We salute that.
There has been a lot said in the papers coming from Kevin McHale and Cedric.
It's real hoops right here.
And Benard King now has burned
And it's live.
40 points, 42 points to be exact.
That's why I like it, though. It's live.
The hurt a little, you know?
Parrish usually got the tip.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that was good help, D. That was good help, D. Bird. He got it up. He got it up just that quick. Oh, that's good, D. All the way with that.
Bird is double teamed.
Real hoops now. It's legendary.
Earl dropped his through Sparrow out again.
Oh, they done threw my buddy out. God damn. Yeah, they had to get you up out of there. They had to get you up out of there. The referee did, right? He ain't mean to do that, though. He ain't mean to do it. It's just how it be. When you hoop.
He puts the ball up right there, continues to get the good position. Now that's great basketball, goes right straight back up, contacts made.
The boys battling out there.
And Robinson will play the ball.
104, 106.
We have a 20-second timeout as the Knicks
6 seconds.
Knicks in the lead.
To Bird.
Okay, Bird. Get you one up, Bird. They gave it to the legend now. The legend had a chance. That was legendary.
But the Knicks prevailed. And now it's back to being down for game 7. What a game. What a finish was.
That was legendary right there now. The legend, they had the ball in the legend hand to close it out. Can't be mad. No excuse. We salute Bird family. Salute Benard King and the Knicks. Salute Celtics. That was legendary right now. And that was live. Thank y'all, Stat family, for watching the full video. We're going to be back with another video after this video. Make sure y'all stay prayed up. Y'all be safe. Y'all be good. You know?